If you're looking for a tropical escape, look no further than Bora Bora. This beautiful island is packed with things to do, from exploring the rainforest to diving the clear waters. In this video, we'll show you some of the best things to do in Bora Bora and help you planning the perfect trip. The adventure of a lifetime on Bora Bora. More than nearly any other place on Earth, Bora Bora is a must-visit place. I just had the incredible privilege of visiting Bora Bora, and I brought my microphone with me so I could record some advice while I was there. This video contains amazing information. In addition, I've added a ton of additional travel advice in addition to what I cover in the episode. Visiting Bora Bora. French Polynesia's Bora Bora is an island encircled by a lagoon. The equator is not far away from this location in the southern hemisphere. Visitors must fly from Los Angeles International Airport to Tahiti for around 8 hours before continuing to Bora Bora. It takes about an hour to fly from Tahiti to Bora Bora, and the flight is really picturesque. It's a big thing to travel to Bora Bora. You'll be traveling abroad, unless you're from France, therefore you'll need a current passport. French is the official language and the flight from La to Tahiti takes a long time, generally an entire night. Arriving on Bora Bora. There are several islands in Bora Bora. Actually, an atoll surrounds the main island. The main island is located in the center of the atoll, which is made up of several other islands ringing a lagoon. The reason for this is that Bora Bora was once a sizable volcano that has since submerged under the water. The crater of the volcano is represented by that ring of islands. The motifs are the islands that make up the atoll that is Bora Bora. Additionally, this area is home to some of the top hotels in the world. The airport in Bora Bora, abbreviated BOB for you travel nerds, is also situated on a madu. Consequently, you are landing on a small island when you arrive here, and the airport is the only thing on this island. As one may anticipate, Bora Bora's airport is a tiny one. Actually, there aren't even any exterior walls, and you need a boat to travel any place from the airport. Any resort on a madu where you are staying has a boat that will pick you up at the airport if you are staying there. Your hotel will send a boat just for you if you let them know what flight you're on. Each resort has a kiosk in the airport. When you get there, look for the kiosk for your hotel. They'll take care of you from there. Even though your hotel is already outrageously expensive, there will definitely be a fee for the boat trip. Taking a boat from the airport across the incredible Blue Lagoon is definitely the best airport shuttle experience I've ever had. Where to stay on Bora Bora? There are two main possibilities for lodging when visiting Bora Bora, as I cover in this video. Either the main island or one of the modus are viable options for lodging. We divided our stay and did both during our trip. By only staying at a resort for a portion of the trip, we were able to reduce costs while still getting a better understanding of the island's culture. Staying on the main island. Small is the major island of Bora Bora. The island is circled by a single, roughly 18-mile-long road. The main island of Bora Bora is home to the majority of the island's residents, giving you a better chance to observe daily life there. On the main island, lodging possibilities are plentiful. There are a variety of opulent resorts to select from, one of which offers an overwater bungalow in its entirety. You can book a smaller, more intimate hotel or bed and breakfast. Alternatively, you can find a rental on your own using a service like VRBO. Staying on a madu in Bora Bora. We spent too much and spent the second half of our trip at the Intercontinental Bora Bora Resort Thalasso's Spa. I had great hopes for this trip, but it well surpassed them. A reception manager from the Intercontinental Thalasso met us at the boat when we arrived and drove us to a table on the beach where we filled out the registration forms, while sipping cool juice. The hotel manager then personally greeted us. This was essentially the standard of service throughout our entire stay. By day 2, the majority of the staff at the restaurant knew our name. These hotels are small, and the staff acts like a family. The top dive store and dock are on site for divers. Additionally, the spa is fantastic. Of course, our room was also quite amazing. The view was of Mount Otmanu on the main island from the overwater cottage. The water at the bungalows has a sandy bottom, is about 85 degrees, and is about 4 feet deep. In order to take a plunge, simply descend the ladder and wade around. The pool was pretty much the finest one ever. I can really see why Bora Bora is such a popular honeymoon destination. It's super isolated, you can literally just do nothing all day and feel good about it, and staying in a bungalow offers a ton of privacy. What to bring to Bora Bora? There are a few items I advise packing that will enhance your trip. If you're going on your honeymoon to Bora Bora, you might want to put these on your wedding registry. You must swim in the ocean if you visit Bora Bora, whether or not you can swim, even if you've never done it before. Don the snorkeling equipment and give it a shot. Some of the most incredible coral and marine life may be seen in Bora Bora. And if you do venture out into the vast blue, you'll undoubtedly want to document the experience with photos or videos. It is really essential to bring a quality camera along, especially if this is a honeymoon. I enjoy having a compact point and shoot that can perform all tasks. Another tool for documenting your underwater adventures is a GoPro. What else to bring to Bora Bora? Aside than plenty of swimwear and sunscreen, you won't need much else for your Bora Bora vacation. This tropical location is incredibly unhurried. I almost never wore makeup and brought some sundresses to wear when I wasn't in my swimwear. In the evening, mosquitoes and no-see-ums can be quite prevalent. Bring your preferred insect repellent and any other strategies that work for you if you frequently get bitten. My daughter brought some leggings, stockings, and a long-sleeved shirt for the evenings because Bugs thinks she is delectable. Before we went, we bathed these clothes in permethrin, which seemed to have helped reduce the number of bites. Adventures on Bora Bora. Hire a snorkel guide. We went all out and booked a snorkel boat and guide from Pure Snorkeling because this was a once-in-a-lifetime excursion. We were picked up by our guide Nui right outside of our bungalow and taken to 4 different snorkeling locations. Manta rays, spotted eagle rays, dozens of fish, and a coral garden that looked like it belonged in Finding Nemo were among the creatures we observed. Each of these snorkeling locations was only reachable by boat, and Nui's local expertise and upbeat demeanor made the day even better. We're experienced snorkelers, but having a guide along helped us better understand what we'd see and where to go. And if you're new to snorkeling, bringing your own guide means you'll have an expert with you who can help out if you need it. Additionally, Nui showed us all over the island and explained its history and culture. So, in addition to having the nicest snorkeling day ever, we also had a boat ride and a personalized tour of the island of Bora Bora. More fun facts about Bora Bora. Despite French being the official language, Tahitian is the language that residents use the most. An excellent general rule of thumb is to enunciate each letter when sounding out a Tahitian word. For instance, the name Papeete is pronounced Papi at I in Tahiti. Tahiti can refer to the island of Tahiti and to the entire French Polynesian chain. The indigenous population of the islands are Tahitians. Bora Bora is in the same time zone as Hawaii. Yes, it lives up to the hype. It goes without saying that our time in Bora Bora was simply amazing and worth every penny. This is undoubtedly your best location if you're seeking for a unique vacation that offers plenty of adventure and contentment. Visiting the atoll of Rangairoa. Along with Bora Bora, we also went to the magnificent Rangairoa atoll in Tahiti. Tell us in the comments below if you think it is worthwhile to go. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe.